Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken and sausage gumbo with jar roux. First, let's get that rich flavor base going. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large Dutch oven or heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat. Then, add 1 cup of your favorite jarred roux. Stir it constantly for about 5 to 7 minutes until it reaches a deep, chocolate brown color. This shortcut is a game changer for easy gumbo. Now let's build on that amazing roux. Add 1 cup of chopped onion, 1/2 cup of diced celery, and 1/2 cup of green bell pepper to the pot. Sauté these holy trinity vegetables for about 8 to 10 minutes until they are tender and fragrant. Next, introduce 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, cut into 1-inch pieces, and 1 pound of sliced smoked sausage. Brown the meats for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. With our aromatics and meats in, it's time for the liquid. Carefully pour in 6 cups of rich chicken broth. Bring the entire mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Cover your pot and let this delicious gumbo simmer for at least 1 hour, or even longer for deeper flavor. Remember to stir it occasionally to prevent anything from sticking to the bottom. This slow simmer is where the magic happens. We're almost there. For the finishing touches, season your gumbo with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a little kick. Stir in 1/4 cup of fresh chopped parsley and 1/4 cup of sliced green onions. Let it cook for just 5 more minutes to allow those fresh herbs to brighten the flavors. Serve your incredible chicken and sausage gumbo hot over a bed of fluffy white rice. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.